It's a 2014 Dodge Challenger. Come on, let's get real. Muscle wins every time, and this Challenger delivers. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, HEMI engine, aluminum wheels, external memory control, keyless go, air conditioning, AM/FM satellite radio, manual tilting steering column. You connect with Bluetooth and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Motor Trend reports, fear not Mopar mavens. Despite every exterior surface being different, the production Challenger is a near clone of the fervor-building Showstar, sporting necessary alterations that do little to diminish the shape's impact. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.